Divya. Um, I have known Kalyani ma'am through a friend, an acquaintance, and I did a hair course with her, hairdressing course. Um, I liked their setup, and I went back to them again for Cidesco. While talking to me, she came to know that I also have an experience in spa. I worked in spa for more than 8 years and had no document regarding it, no work experience letter. So she suggested me to do post graduation in body and beauty, which would be for face and for body, both, in the same time period as Cidesco, which many people don't know about it. I didn't even actually knew that Cidesco's exams can be held right in Pune. So I was very happy to know all that. I joined the course, I enrolled with her. She was there, right there with me for the whole course. I got lectures from doctors. I had more than 10 experience, 10 practices for each and every topic. Models were provided to me. Products were right there. They have excellent products, a wide range of products to try through, and the practices went very well. Each and every topic was done thoroughly. All her machines worked very well, and I actually understood galvanic and felt it through her because I have done a basic and advanced already from a different institute. Uh, so the thing is, Impressions Academy is your one stop for all your beauty courses. The exams, the whole course goes through very smoothly under Kalyani ma'am's guidance. She is standing right there beside you until you give your exam. 100% trust me. She will not let go of you until you understand each and every topic thoroughly. And at the time of exam, after the exam was given, I was so sure that I can positively, strongly go out and say that yes, I'm a PG student of body and beauty. This academy is the best for all your beauty courses. Do visit and ask for Kalyani ma'am. She will guide you through.